Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the laptop surface so stickers adhere and last. Use a 70% alcohol wipe, dry for about 60 to 90 seconds, and avoid oily residues. This improves adhesion. Next, plan placement. Arrange stickers on paper or a table, group by size and color, then transfer that composition to the laptop using small painter's tape markers. Once marked, step back and confirm balance. You want even weight visually and no vents or ports covered before applying any sticker. You apply stickers with deliberate motions to avoid bubbles and misalignment. Peel the backing slowly and expose only one edge. Position that edge, then hinge the sticker down while you align. Once aligned, press the center and smooth outward using a straight edge or a credit card to push air toward the edges. This prevents trapped bubbles. Make sure to keep at least 1/8 to 1/4 inch clearance from vents and hinges so airflow and opening motion remain unaffected. You finish by ensuring adhesion and protecting edges. If stickers are vinyl, apply gentle heat from a hair dryer on low, 6 to 8 inches away, to activate adhesive and conform to curves. Once done, press edges again and allow 24 hours before heavy handling. If a bubble appears, lift the nearest edge and smooth back down or push the air out with a card. Tiny bubbles often dissipate in 24 to 48 hours. If residue forms later, remove and...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.